Hello friends, welcome to SSP Tech. So right now we are going to start our new topics, a new course which is Excel. So in this course I'm going to talk about that how you can use topmost or most important formulas in Excel. So as you know that Excel is used for calculation or recording transactions. It helps us to calculate easily with the help of some functions. So we are going to discuss, but this video is totally depend upon totally for the purpose of that Excel interface, that what is it and how we have to detect it, what is columns and what is rows and what is cell address. So if I talk about the topmost that bar where my cursor is moving, so it will be called as ribbon. So in that ribbon we have file, home, insert, page layout, then formula, data, review, view, add-on. So these type of tabs, every set of tabs contain uh, some groups and we call some sections. So you can use these section or group, so whichever you look more familiar you can use it. So first uh, we have clipboard section or group, in which we have cut, copy, paste and format painter. Same as we have font, alignment, number, style, cells and editing. So these all groups, and these groups contain options like cut, copy and format painter, bold, italic, underline. So all these. So we have a many number of tabs and we have a number of options. So we will discuss in later video what is the fun of that. And in this video we are going to talk about that it is columns. So in Excel we use alphabetics for column name. So if I want to identify column A, so this is my column A whole. When I select here, so it will automatically select my column A. If I select B, then it automatically column B, then C, then so on. So this is our column. It indicate with the English alphabet. And if I talk about rows, it gives us the number. So one row, second row, third, fourth and fifth, sixth. So how many rows Excel contains? So let us we talk about a little bit more. If I talk about that, Excel use total number of 10,040 10,48,576 rows. So you can contain much number of rows, 10 lakh. So you can contain so many rows, and you can record any transaction here. So you have plenty of options. If I talk about how many columns it has XFT, so it is approximately 16,000 columns. So you have rich source of recording here. So you can use Excel for recording any uh, transaction for any company. You can record your sale, purchase, your stock, anything. For any school you can use tenders. For clerk you can maintain your salary, each and everything you can contain here, and you can make it with the help of Excel. So if I talk about that, I clicked here. So this is my cell. How I can identify the name of my cell? My cell name will be identified with this highlight, that highlighted thing. So it highlights F as well as 3. If I am able to find out my cell name, so I can identify from here F3. So if I clicked here, so what is my cell address? This is H is highlighted and F4 is highlighted, so it is H4. If I am able to find out, so I can find out here my cell name. So this is our cell address. So it is most important to understand cell address, because we have to implement our formulas totally dependent upon our cell address. So we are not use directly values, we are just manipulating each and everything basis on our cell address. So we can increase our cell address, means our cells, just like here. So this cursor is used for increasing and decreasing our cells. You can see here. So like this. So you can decrease and increase it here, and this is used for decreasing and increasing our cell both column wise as well as row wise. Is totally depend upon you how you can you want to use this. If I talk about this cursor, this plus mark, that plus cursor is thick and background color is white, so this is used for selection. So we can select any consecutive cells with the help of this plus sign. So these cursors helps us to select consecutive cells from beginning to end where you want to go. So this all about it. I want to talk about merge and center. So why we have to use merge and center? So let us suppose I want to merge this all cells into one cell, unless it is individual cells. Let us suppose I want to merge it once, so I just select it here and merge and click here. So it merge it into one. You can see it. Whatever I will write, it will be displayed in center. You can see here it's center. Some of the things I also include here. So just like here, this is left, center, and right. This is bottom. We talk about middle and top, so I use center and middle. If I talk about that, what is wrap text, so let us suppose I want to write here my name is Sun and I want to talk about Excel. So you can see our text goes that horizontally. So if I double click here, it will increase my cells horizontally. I wanted it will be increase my cell vertically, so I will use wrap text. So I will use here, I select this cell and I click wrap text. I want to write same thing, my name is Sun and I want to talk about Excel. So you can see it will increase the height of my cell, or it increase vertically cell, or you can say it will increase the width of our cell. So by default it will increase the width of your cell like that. If you want to write more, if you use wrap text, it will increase your height. So simply, so this is all about first video. So in the next tutorial I will show you some of more things, and we will create some sheets which helps to understand some basic formulas. So thanks to watch this. Thanks.